Storage can be seriously hard to come by in a small bathroom, and we all need places to put our collections of toiletries, toothbrushes, and all that's necessary for the daily ablutions. We've gathered our favorite examples of 9 amazing IKEA small bathroom storage ideas to incorporate in your small space. 1. Think of your sink area as a workspace for getting ready, and you'll soon see the tools you need for the job. Hooks on the wall keep washcloths and towels within easy reach, one to wash, one to dry. Storage that slides in under the wash basin, no drilling required, is a great use of space, especially in smaller bathrooms. 2. Our traditional style Hems bathroom series is actually designed with the future in mind. Sturdy, it's mostly solid wood. It'll age beautifully, so you'll be able to enjoy it for years. 3. Make your mornings personal. A good way to guide sleepy eyes and shave seconds off your schedule is to have fixed, personalized bottles and jars. 4. Keeping surfaces calm and clear of clutter, and the inside-out drawers and cupboards ordered will make daily rituals run smoothly. 5. It's easy to create the bathroom of your dreams. From washstands to wall cabinets to double wash basins, there are lots of options to store what you need, no matter the size of your bathroom. And with loads of different looks to choose from, you can be sure to find something that fits your style. 6. Bathrooms are often the smallest rooms in the home, yet need to have space for everyone's things and activities. The practical and affordable tie-in bathroom cabinets are ideal for narrow spaces, while offering plenty of open and closed storage. 7. A bathroom retreat makes it me time anytime. A plant and neutral colors can help create a sense of serenity, as can smart organization inside drawers. And of course, the real secret to serenity is to keep everything in its right place. 8. Calm outside, organized inside. When everything is packed away in deep storage units, you can genuinely relax. 9. Use whites and light colors to lift your bathroom and make it an open, light space. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe and give your comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.